So today I'm going to be making slime and I'm so excited. So today we need magic liquid is activator. We need spoon. We need glitter, any glue you like, and I'm using this glue and I'm so excited. It's my first time making slime with glitter glue. And the important part is container. Because if you're making slime you need container, and the part of what we really need to use is what's it called? Bowl. So now I'm going to put these stuff away. And when we got the bowl, we get glue. Then we open the glue. I'm so excited. It's my first time. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. It's this is. So now we're going to do is magic liquid time. Mix slime. Mix it. Liquid. Sometimes you need to add any activator. I'm not sure if you're supposed to add more. So I think I need to add some more magic liquid. Wow, this is really glittery. I never made glitter slime before, but this is my first time making glitter glue slime. I really wish I could make glow in the dark slime. But in the shop, I couldn't really find some glow in the dark slime, but I'm really happy with the glitter glue because it's so pretty. Very nice. It's a bit sticky. I'm not sure if I should put my hand in. So now I'm putting my hand in. I don't know where to put the glue. Put the spoon. My mind's messed up now. Oops. I made a mess on this paper. I'm a bit messy though. Might be really good. I'm really happy now. I'm just a little bit happy, but it's a bit still disgusting. Very silly one. Spread it all out, or maybe I might spread. Guys, thank you for watching my video, and subscribe to my channel and put the notification bell on. Remember to like my channel. So bye guys, my yucky hand.